Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
God bless all of you.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to appreciate you, the Vice President.
Akobi,
It's either I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow. Akobi,
I
we have a lot to talk.
Congratulations, sir.
Gango! Akobi, olódòdó kì í kú, iṣẹ́ àgùndàlù ni, àsìkò ẹni dé, ọmọ òṣìṣẹ́ àkọ́bí wàá gùn lẹ́nu, wàá gùn lẹ́nu.
Let's go now. Move there.
Hi guys, yes, I've got a gist. Is it a gist or an update? Whatever. But I have something to tell you about Wasiu Ayinde Bola, the APC presidential candidate, and the music icon, that's Wasiu Ayinde. Yes, these two were seen together, and Wasiu Ayinde was, telling him that Akanji, kò sí tó máa ṣe ẹ́ fọkàn balẹ̀. You understand? You know that stuff now. Fọkàn balẹ̀, dey your back and pay. That's it all about the two men together talking, and let's just wait and see. Music icon Wasiu Ayinde has been the one composing songs for him. So what do you expect? You see them together either in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the night. All for the best. That's it, guys.